Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with the engine warm. You want normal compression readings. Once stopped, disable the fuel system and remove the ignition key so no fuel sprays or engine cranks under load. Next, remove one spark plug from the cylinder you will test. Label each plug 1, 2, 3 so you track results. Attach the compression tester to the spark plug hole and hand tighten the adapter. Make sure the tester gauge is clear and set to 0. Now you're ready to crank for readings. You crank the engine with the starter for 5 to 6 full compression strokes at normal cranking speed. Avoid long, continuous cranking. Once the needle peaks, hold the peak and record the PSI for that cylinder, then depress the release valve and retest immediately to confirm consistency. Move methodically to the next cylinder, keeping the same cranking technique. Make sure to compare values across cylinders. A difference greater than about 10% or a reading below factory spec indicates a problem you'll need to investigate next. You wrap up by interpreting numbers. Uniformly low PSI points to overall engine wear. One low cylinder suggests valve or head gasket issues. If readings are low, perform a wet test by adding about 1 teaspoon of engine oil into the cylinder and retest. If PSI rises significantly, rings are likely worn. Once diagnostics are done, reinstall the spark plugs, restore the fuel system, and clear any diagnostic codes. If you still see large discrepancies,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.